Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we'll be looking at Canva Mockup. We'll be working with Canva Mockup tool. I'll be showing you how to use Canva Mockup to represent your products. So basically, mockups in Canva are digital representations of how a design would look on a physical item or within a specific context. So you use mockups to simulate the appearance of your products such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, business cards, book covers, etc. You can use mockups to even represent devices and social media posts, right? Mockups actually provide a more tangible sense of how a design will look in the real world. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Canva Mockup tool. So let's dive right in. Before using the Canva Mockup tool, you should of course have your design set for mockup, right? So here I already have logos I want to use to demonstrate the mockup. I have about 3 logos. All of these logos, I took them from the Canva design. They are all templates, so they are not mine. I took them from the Canva template, so they are all Canva templates, right? All right, so these logos are the logos we'll be using. And there are 2 ways you can access the Canva Mockup tool. One of the ways you can access them is from your Canva editor. Right inside here, you can actually access the Canva Mockup tool. When you scroll down to apps, you go to apps and search for mockups. So it is the first item you find here. But I usually like to use it from the home page. I don't even know, I just feel more comfortable using it from the home page. So let's head over to the home page. All right, let's go to apps. Then scroll down to find mockups. It is one of the recommended apps. And now we want to mock up for, there are different categories. There is technology, there's print, we have packaging, apparel, home living. If you've watched my previous videos, you would see where I used some of these categories for mockup. So for today's tutorial, I'll be focusing on apparel. Apparel is where you have your sweatshirts. If you want to mock up for sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, a couple of them. But let's start with accessories because I want to mock up for a face cap because the logos I downloaded, I actually want to use them on face cap and maybe bags. So here in accessories, you find a couple of them. We have bags. Then if you keep scrolling, you find the caps. So let's get to where we have caps. All right, so these are caps. You can use the caps as they are here, or you go for where you have them isolated. So I would prefer to use them isolated. So here we have a couple of them. Let's go with this first one. So click on select. I have one of the logos uploaded. Okay, I can upload the others logos I want to use. Remember to always download them on a transparent background. It's very important, except you want your logo to have a background, then you can download without a transparent background. You can download with the background. But I usually like to work with a transparent background when I'm doing a mockup for logo. So let's use this first one, select it. So this is what it looks like on this cap. So once you print this on a real cap, this is what you should be seeing, right? Remember what we said about mockups. They are just representation of how your product will look on a physical platform, when it is physical, when it is printed. So this is a mockup for cap. Now, if you like what you have, you can go ahead and, okay, one more thing I would like to point out is that you can decide to change the color of this cap. You have the option to change to different colors. You can have your cap in different colors. So this is what it looks like if the cap is black. But I like to leave it on a white background because of the color of our logo. So when you're done with your mockup, you can go ahead and save. Now, if you do this and you don't like how the logo is on the cap, you can actually adjust the image. And here are all the options you have. You can feel, if you feel it, this is what it will look like. Let me go back to our image. This is what it looks like when you click on the fill, but I prefer the fit option. So I go back to adjust, leave it at fit. So now you can also align. These are the different alignment options. You can align top. So if you look at all these alignment options, you see that some of them are not highlighted because they are already well positioned, right? If I click on the left, right alignment, it will move to the right. If I click on the left, but let's leave it as center. So these are all the things you can do to adjust your image. So once you're satisfied with the outcome of what you have, you can go ahead and save your mockup and of course download it. So this is how to do a mockup for your cap rather. Let's do one more mockup before we end this tutorial. Let's do for this bag. Let's use this bag. So with the knowledge you've already gotten from this tutorial, you should be able to do mockups for several other items. Let's use this infinity. Beautiful. So this is a mockup. You can adjust, you can change color and save and download. So this is how to work with Canva Mockup. I hope you try this out with your design. And as always, I can't wait to see what you create from this. Thank you so much and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.